A great set of legs adds to the beauty of a woman. A legs workout for women is to tone the calf muscles and increasing aesthetic appeal. This can also lead to an increase in self-confidence. Here are different types of leg workouts. Leg exercises for women performed at home are great for housewives who do not have sufficient time to spend at the gym in order to tone their legs. In order to tone the front area of the thigh, simply sit on a workout bench that is equipped with an extension station already attached. Raise your legs slowly until it's stretched out. Next, slowly lower your legs down to where they started from. These workouts can be done 2 or 3 times per week. You can also do leg exercises without the use of weights. It is an easily executable exercise. Stand upright with your back against the wall and then slowly slide down so that your knees are bent. Make sure that your back is against the wall at all times. Before you slowly start to stand up, you should stay in this position for a few minutes. This method helps to reduce the thighs, which will tone them up. There are some leg exercises for women to lose weight effectively. One type of exercise is leg lifts. You should do this where you have enough space to lie down in your home. Lay on the floor with one hip facing the ceiling and the other the floor. Make certain that your legs and back are straight. If you want to get the benefits of this exercise, you should do it exactly like this. Now, raise your leg and hold it steady for 3 counts or 3 seconds. Upon finishing this step, lift and hold your leg in position as you count to 3. You should hold this position until you feel that your body gets a bit shaky. Also, going up and down the stairs of your house is another good leg exercise. It may sound ridiculous, but it's a good exercise. You can lose weight and tone your legs by climbing about 20 steps for 15 consistent minutes. Women should follow these exercises when working out in their homes. You must understand that it is simply not possible to achieve the best result overnight. You will have to toil with it a bit. Don't kill yourself when starting out with these exercises. It will do more harm than good. Instead, you should plan a routine which you will be able to follow regularly without causing any harm to your body. When you overdo your workout on any day, it is likely that the pain and fatigue will prevent you from working out effectively the following days. Therefore, it is better to start your routine on an easy level and gradually increase the intensity. It has taken you weeks or months to get out of shape, and therefore you cannot expect to get back in shape in weeks or months. Have some discipline with your exercise routine and you will eventually get back in shape like you used to be, healthy and confident once again.